Hey Siri, find me a home in Surprise in an amazing neighborhood. It's got to have a pool, corner lot, and it's got to have a really nice kitchen. Nah, none of these work. Siri, filter these down to something that's fully remodeled, entertainer's backyard. It's got to be at an affordable price. Could that be the one? Whoa, this backyard is amazing. This is what I was looking for. This is on a corner lot with the park right there. Huge backyard with the pool, the turf. This is an amazing outdoor kitchen. This is exactly what I was looking for. I was really looking for something with an amazing kitchen. I mean, not a small one, a huge one like this. In fact, this floor plan has been modified, so this is one of the biggest kitchens in the entire neighborhood. We actually expanded, took it all the way back here. Everything is decked out and upgraded. This is an all-star kitchen. Wow, this is just what I was looking for. A separate room right here to entertain with your friends and family, and then a little den, movie room here. Yeah, talk about a floor plan. This is it. If you or somebody you know is looking for a home like this in Surprise with an entertainer's backyard next to a beautiful park and an enormous luxury kitchen, reach out, because not only is this home at a great price tag, it is energy efficient and we can't wait to show it to you. Reach out, schedule your private showing today, and share it with somebody looking for a home like this.